Hi guys, it's Convicted here, and this is the unboxing of the R89 Ubox from Beelink. This TV box is very powerful because it runs the latest RK3288 Rockchip CPU, and it has an 8-core GPU, a Mali T764. You can see it here. And the processor is a quad-core ARM Cortex A17. This is the first Android TV box with that CPU and the most powerful one in the market right now. Let's unbox it and see what we get. Here's the box itself. We're going to check it out in a little while. We've got an HDMI cable, a micro USB on the go cable, and the power adapter. It is 5 volts, 3000 milliamperes. Okay, let's see the box. It has a glossy finish up front and the Ubox logo. You can see here it says 4K. It can play back 4K videos. The power button, the power port. This is maybe a headphone jack port, an SPDIF optical audio outputs, Ethernet, HDMI, a full USB 2.0 port, a micro USB on the go port. On the left side we see 2 full USB 2.0 ports and a micro SD card slot. And here's the IR receiver. Here we have rubber pads, ventilation grills, as well as on the back, and the shape is very unique, I can say. This is a prototype version, and that's why it didn't have a remote inside. The retail version will have an IR remote, so that you can control it. Okay, see you on my next video, which will be the review. Thanks and bye bye.